that was a wonderful, you know, a day full of great talks. So hopefully you can see my screen now. You know, we went through pretty much everything from building a Miniscope to the design of the Miniscopes, doing the surgery, doing the behavior. The only thing left to do is really analysis, right? And so hopefully today you've got this great overview of how to run a Miniscope experiment and collect the data. We got a really exciting day 2 tomorrow, where we have, you know, really great speakers coming in from that have been using Miniscopes, been developing Miniscopes, and so we got 6 great talks tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. Eastern. Then we're gonna do another breakout session, a really nice in-depth data analysis portion where Phil Dong is going to go through Minion, our open source data analysis pipeline. And then we're going to finish off with some future directions on where Miniscope development is going, and show off some of the cool new technology that Daniel and some others are developing right now. So for right now, we're going to sign off for the day. We're going to go into breakout rooms. We're not going to come back into the main room. We're going to leave these breakout rooms open for about an hour. We're going to use the same breakout rooms we had earlier. So the same TAs are going to be able to answer any questions you have. We have rooms based on the techniques. We have rooms to just hang out if you want to chat with people. And for the next hour or so, people will be around to answer any questions. And I'm going to go ahead and say now you can go ahead and we're going to open up the breakout rooms. And feel free to go into any room you want, and we'll be around for the next hour or so. And if we don't see you in there, we'll see you in tomorrow morning.